Assalamu'alaikum and good morning, madam and everyone. My name is Muhammad Ihsan, metric number 2023690796. I am a student from the Faculty of Business and Management, pursuing a Bachelor of Business Marketing Honors at Universiti Teknologi UiTM Sabah. Today, I will presenting my industrial training experience at Little Sulap Cafe, Kota Kinabalu. During my 3.5 month internship, I served as a social media manager and content creator trainee under the business and marketing department. Throughout this presentation, I will briefly introduce the company, explain my roles and responsibilities, share the knowledge and skills I gain, and then present the SWOT analysis and conclude with my recommendations. So without further ado, let's begin with the company profile. Company background. Little Sulap Cafe was established in 2018 by Mr. Chris Jamianus with the objective of preserving and promoting authentic Sabahan cuisine through a modern cafe concept. The cafe is located in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, and has become one of the popular destinations for both locals and tourists who want to experience traditional Sabah food. There are two company subsidiaries for Little Sulap Cafe, namely Chris Boy London and Dear Moment Studio. Some of the cafe's achievements include being recognized as one of the Sabah Tourism Board Food Trails 2025 destinations and receiving two awards during the Signature Food Fest 2026. This recognition demonstrates the company's strong reputation in promoting Sabah's food heritage. During my internship, I was assigned as a social media manager and content creator trainee. My primary responsibility was to strengthen the company's online presence through digital marketing. My daily tasks included planning marketing strategies, generating content ideas, writing captions and copywriting, shooting and editing videos, managing social media content, and publishing content on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Besides Little Sulap Cafe, I also handle content creation for the company's subsidiaries, namely Chris Boy London and Dear Moment Studio. Throughout the internship, I was involved in several major marketing projects. Among them were conducting street interview campaigns with voucher giveaways, producing promotional content for the Signature Food Fest and Kaamatan Festival, collaborating with local influencers, and covering brand collaborations such as with Proton and Spritzer. These projects allowed me to experience the complete content production process from planning and filming to editing and final publication. Working on these campaigns also improved my creativity, communication skills, and confidence in handling real marketing projects. This internship provided me with valuable technical and professional skills. From the technical perspective, I improved my abilities in content creation, video editing, copywriting, storytelling, and social media management. In terms of soft skills, I developed stronger communication, teamwork, problem solving, adaptability with any situation, and time management skills by working on multiple projects with tight deadlines. Overall, this internship successfully bridged the gap between the marketing theories I learned at university and real industry practice. From my observation, Little Sulap Cafe has several strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. The first strength is its strong brand identity through authentic Sabahan cuisine, which differentiates the cafe from many competitors. Another strength is its loyal base of repeat customers, which contributes to positive word of mouth marketing. However, the company also faces several weaknesses, including a limited marketing budget and a small marketing team. These limitations make it difficult to conduct large scale promotional campaigns consistently. For opportunities, Little Sulap has strong potential to establish strategic partnership with tourism organizations, university, and local businesses. The company can also expand collaborations with influencers to increase brand awareness. Meanwhile, the main external threats are rising raw material costs and economic downtowns or economic uncertainty, which may reduce customer spending and affect business performance. Based on the SWOT analysis, I propose several recommendations. First, Little Sulap should continue maintaining its authentic Sabahan food identity because it is the company's strongest competitive advantage. Second, the company should strengthen customer loyalty programs to encourage repeat purchases. Third, Little Sulap should maximize low-cost digital marketing strategies by consistently producing engaging social media content. Fourth, the company should expand collaborations with micro-influencers. Fifth, establish more strategic partnership to reach wider audience. Six, improving marketing planning through content calendars and better workflow management can help better workflow management can help overcome the shortage of marketing manpower. Seven, manage rising costs to control operating expenses. And lastly, increase business resilience during economic downturns to maintain sales and, of course, the customer retention. In conclusion, my internship at Little Sulap Cafe was a valuable and meaningful learning experience. It allowed me to apply the marketing knowledge that I learned in university into a real business environment while developing practical skills in digital marketing, branding, and content creation. I also gained experience in working with different stakeholders, managing marketing campaigns, collaborating with influencers, and participating in major events. Overall, this internship has strengthened both my technical and professional skills, increased my confidence, and prepared me for my future career in the marketing industry. I think that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. That concludes my presentation, and I will be happy to answer any question.